Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to change your password on the Pinterest app on your PC, especially with the new update. If you've been wanting to refresh your security or just update your password, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, start by opening the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're logged in and on your main screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings shortcut. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access more options. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the Settings menu. Here, there are various options to customize your Pinterest experience. For changing your password, you want to find and click on Account Management. This section is where you control all the details related to your account, including your login credentials. Inside Account Management, you will see a password bar with the current settings. Next to this bar, there is a Change button. Click on that to proceed. This action opens a prompt where you can enter your new password. Make sure your new password is strong. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea to keep your account secure. Once you've typed in your new password, don't forget the crucial step: saving the changes. You need to click the Save button not once, but twice. This double confirmation ensures your new password is properly updated and active on your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Pinterest password on your PC with the latest app update. Taking a few moments to update your password regularly is a great habit to keep your account safe. If you ever forget your new password, Pinterest's recovery options will help you reset it securely. Thanks for following along.